Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the sample paper from Silverzone exams that we have, and we are here with our latest paper that is from the year 2020. Okay, all of you. So over here, it's a paper of 30 questions divided into 4 sections. The first section is mathematics. Okay, over here, having some questions like this, as you can see from everyday mathematics, okay, till question number 20. After that, you have section B, which is from reasoning and aptitude, which basically involves logical reasoning. From this part, you have 5 questions till the 20, from 21 to 25. And the last is scholars zone, from where you have 5 more questions from 26 to 30. Okay, all of you? So this is our paper having 30 questions, and we are going to discuss this today. So let's start with our first question. That is, the question reads, Manju had a collection of 569 stamps. Which one of the following is the correct number name? Number name means what? You have to just write this number in words. So 569, 569, 509, 569. This is the word. So this is our answer, 569 for the very first question. Okay, all of you. Now, moving on to number 2. Which one of the following has the value of less than 250 to 125? 250 minus 125, that is 125. Okay, 250 minus 125 gives me 125. Now, you need to find among these which is equal to 125. Because the question reads, which one of the following has the value of less than this? Less than this. So you need a number, you need which one of these results in less than 125. Okay. So if you check this one, 150 and 25, that's 175. If you add them up, 200 minus 25 is again 175. 100 minus 25 is 75. And 150 minus 25 is equals to 125. The question says less than this. So less than 125 is 75. So option C is my answer. Okay, everyone. Next, number 3. Which one of the following abacus represents number more than 2000? See, more than 2000. For being more than 2000, that means what? In thousands place, what is the number? 2. You need 2 beads now. In abacus, in thousands place, you at least need 2 beads. Then only it will be more than 2000. And for hundreds, tens, and ones, again, you must have some or the other beads. At least 1 bead you must have. Because this is 0, 0, 0 and hundreds, tens, and ones place. And if you have more than 0, that means if you have at least even of 1 bead, that will give you the number which is more than 2000. Okay, all of you? So over here, if you take in thousands place, it's only 1. Next, number B also same, only 1, cannot be more than 2000. Number C, yes, you have 2 beads. And number D, again 1. So A, B, D, and cannot be the correct number because they have only 1 bead in thousands place. And I need minimum of 2 beads in the thousands place. Okay. So hence 2000. C is the answer. What is the number shown here? 2, 1 in hundreds place, in tens place 1, 2, 3. And in ones place 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2134. So this is the number shown. Hence, this is more than 2000. So that's our answer. Okay, all of you. Next, number 4. Which one of the following numbers is the predecessor of the sum of the numbers given below? Predecessor of this number. Predecessor means number which comes just before. Okay. So if you add them up, 9 plus 8 is 17. And 17 plus 7 is how much? 17 plus 7 is 24. Okay, all of you? So, when you need the predecessor, it should be minus 1. 1 less than the number, now 1 result, the result. 24 minus 1 is how much? 23. That's the predecessor. So, option B has 23. That's my answer. Okay, everyone? Next question. Which one of the following statement is correct? See, you know, multiplication, that is nothing but repeated addition. If you check here, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 is here. This should be 4 multiplied to 4. This should have been. So this is not correct. That shows 4 into 16. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. 5 times 3. This might be correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5. This is again not correct. This shows 4 times 5. And lastly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. This is 2 into 5. It should have been 2 into 6. This is also not correct. Hence, option B is the correct one, which shows 3, 5. Next, you need to find the missing digit A in this multiplication. If you just take this and multiply, if you just try multiplying this one, let's open up a page. Just a second. Just let's open up. And if you just multiply that over there, you'll check what was our number. 4A16 multiplied to 8. Okay. So this is 4. Instead of A, let's take a blank. 4A16 multiplied to 8. Okay. This is our question. And the result given is 36128. 36128. That is 36,120. Clear? Now let's start simple multiplication the way you do. 8 6 are 48. 8 carry 4. 8 ones are 8 plus 4, 12. 2, that means over here, whatever the number, one was taken as carry and hence one was added to it. Okay. Now, if you check this one, you don't know. Let's leave this one and let's multiply the last one. 8 4 times is how much? 32. But instead over here, how much is written? 36 is written. That means how much more? 4 has been added. Na? That is why 36 has been written. 4 has been added. 4 has been added. That 4 taken as carry and over here 1 written. That means what was the number? When you multiplied 8 with the missing number, how much did you get? 41. And 41, how did you get? After adding this 1, correct? So if you subtract 1, you get 40. And how do you get 48? How many times is 40? 8, 5 times is 40. Hence, this shows that over here, the missing number was 5. Then only you will get, see, 8 6 are 48, carry 4. 8 1s are 8, plus 4 gives me 12. 2, carry 1. 8 5s are 40, plus 1, 41. 1, carry 4. 8 4s are 32, plus 4, 36. Okay, all of you? So 5 was the missing number. So that's my answer. Okay, everyone? Moving on, add 2 more B's and remove 1 A and 1 C from this table. Then what fraction of the total number of letters will be B? That means in place of 1 A and in place of 1 C, you have to write B. Okay, all of you? So that will give you 2 B's added. So just let's take this figure. Copy paste this figure. We just copy paste this figure. I'll just enlarge it. Okay, over here, the numbers over here, if you can see, these are overlapping. Okay, so let's count the first. What we'll do, we'll count the number of circles first because this is overlapping. So if we count the circles, that will give you the total number of alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 3 such lines. Okay, so that means what? 8 into 3, 24 alphabets are here in total. These are the total number of alphabets. Out of this 24, if you just check how many B's, you don't have to bother about A and C because the question says in place of 1 A and 1 C, 2 B's are introduced. So whatever the total number of B's are there, just add 2 more to them. Okay, that will give you the number of B's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 already exists. Okay. And 2 more B's should be added. Let's say in place of this A, 1 B is coming up. And in place of this C, so 7 plus 2, total 9 B's will be there. What is your question now? The question asks you What is the fraction of the total number of letters will be the number of B. Number of B's are 9. Total number is 24. So that's my fraction, 9 upon 24. Here, if you just simplify this, 3 times 9, 3 8s are 24. So 3 by 8, option B is my answer. Okay, everyone. Next, number 8, if you just check the fractions represented by the shaded parts of which of these two figures are like fractions. Which of them is like fraction? Which of them, shaded part of which of these two represent like fractions? See, this one, okay, let's first copy paste this. Firstly, check the equal number of parts. If you check this 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts, it has been divided into 4 parts, out of which 2 are shaded. Okay, you have to take the shaded parts. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out of 8, 2 parts shaded again. 1, 2, and 3. Out of 3, 1 part shaded. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 out of 4. 1 have 4 same denominators, but do they have the same value? 2 and 1, do they have the same value? No. If you just simplify them, try simplifying them. This is 2, 1 by 2, correct? This is 1 by 2. If you just simplify 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And this one 2 by 8. If you just simplify this, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, correct? See, this one also becomes 1/4, and this is also figure 2 and figure 4 are showing the equal like fraction, equal shaded parts. So figure 2 and 4, that's my answer. Okay, everyone. Next, number 9. When the fraction represented by the shaded parts of figure 2, this is figure 2, when the shaded part of this, fraction of the shaded part of this is subtracted from the fraction of the shaded part of figure 1, the result will be what? If you have to just take the shaded parts of figure 1 and 2, see, this although no line shows here, but it parts means always equal, na? So this means it is divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this one is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 parts. So let's do one thing. Let's divide this one also into 8 parts. This is also a circle. If you draw a line, like this will be on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 parts you have. So in this figure 1, out of 8 parts, how many do you have shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And over here in 8 parts, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, and 4 only. What is the difference? Out of 8 parts, 6 shaded here, and over here, 4 shaded. That means it's a difference of 2 by 8. Correct, all of you? And 2 by 8 means how much? 1/4. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. That's my answer. And since you have to subtract fraction 2, figure 2 from figure 1, figure 2 from figure 1, that means, oh, figure 2 has less, na? Figure 2 has less over here. Hence, there should be a -1. I see. If we just go with the subtraction thing, when the fraction represented by the shaded parts of figure 2 is subtracted from the fraction represented by the shaded parts of figure 1, then how much will you get? So it's basically 8 over here. If we just don't take 8, okay, let's do it this way. Let's not take it 8. Let's go with the help of direct subtraction. This was 4 parts now. This was 4 parts over here. So it was basically 3 by 4. Okay. And this was 4 by 8. Now, if you subtract 4 by 8 by 3 by 4, see, if you subtract this, 8 would be the LCM. 4 2 times is 8. So 3 2 times. How much shall this be? 6. And 6 minus 4 gives you 2 by 8 only. So that's 1 by 4. So here's my answer. Okay. Option. Next in number 10. If the total cost of toffees shown is 36, how many toffees are here? First count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, 9 toffees. So what does our question say? The total cost of 9 toffees are 36. If 9 toffees cost 36, what is the cost of 1 toffee? Unitary method. You just need to divide. Why divide? Because 36 by 9, that gives you rupees 4. 9 4 times 36. That means cost of 1 toffee is 4. So what will be the cost of 2 such toffees? 4 multiplied to 2. That gives you rupees 8. Hence, rupees 8, option C. That's my answer. Okay. Next number 11. Which one of the following clock shows the time 3 hours before 7:30 p.m.? 3 hours before 7:30 minus 3 if you do, minus 3 hours if you subtract. You just need to find which clock shows 4:30. If you check this one, this is between 3 and 4 over here. And this is at 6. This clock shows 3:30. This one shows 5:30 at 5 and at 6. This one shows 10 minutes left to 6. Isn't it? It's between 10. It's between 10 and 11 somewhere. So this is not close only. Not close to the time which means this is between the hour hand. This is over here. The small hand is in between 4 and 5. And the long hand of the clock is at 6. This shows 4:30 and hence that's my answer because I need that only 3 hours before 7:30. Got it all of you? So 4:30, option D, that's my answer. Moving on to question number 12. The question reads, Rahul's birthday falls on the day just before 4th Tuesday of April. 4th Tuesday of April. If you just check over here, the first Tuesday of April is 7th. If the first Tuesday is 7th, if the first Tuesday is 7th, 1 week has 7 days now. 1 week has 7 days. So if you just keep on adding 7, all will be a Tuesday only. 14th, that's the second Tuesday. Next, again a 7 added to this 14, that gives you 21st. That's the third Tuesday. And again 7 added, that gives you Tuesday. Okay, all of you. So basically, when you keep on adding 7, that gives you the Tuesdays only. So now the question says it is before the 4th Tuesday, just before the 4th Tuesday. So if it is just before the 4th Tuesday, then what will it be? It will be before 28th, that is 27th of April. Okay, all of you. So that's my answer. Next, number 30. There is one container. Let's take this a container. One container which is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bowls. And 2 bowls weigh 250 ml. So first you need to find the capacity of 1 bowl. So if 2 bowls together weigh 250 ml, what can be the possible capacity of 1 bowl? Just divide, and that gives you 125 ml. That means what? 1 bowl's capacity is 125. Now the container was equals to how many bowls? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bowls over here. So if 1 bowl is 125, 5 bowls will be 125 multiplied to 5. That would give you 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 2, carry 1, 5 1s are 5, and 1 6. 625. That means our 1 container is equals to 625 only. So now the question requires you to find the capacity of 2. Simply double multiplied by 2. This will give you 2 5s are 10, 0 carry 1 in hand, 2 2s are 4, and 1 5, and 6 2 times is 12. 1250 ml. Or if you just divide it, this would be 1 liter 250 ml. Why 1 liter 250 ml? Because 1 liter has 250 ml, sorry, 1000 milliliters capacity, right? All of you, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 has 3 zeros. So last 3 digits milliliter, and whatever is left gets converted to liter if you divide by 1000. Hence 1 liter 250 ml, option B. That's my answer. Okay, all of you.